The Sealey SA6006 half-inch drive composite air impact wrench. The SA6006 has a twin hammer design, creating an impressive output of 1,428 Newton meters. This gives the wrench a high torque output, making it ideal for jobs that would normally require a 3/4 drive impact wrench. It incorporates the following features: a hammer cage support mechanism to reduce vibration, a soft grip composite casing to make the wrench easier to hold and to reduce chill, a push button style forward and reverse switch which allows single-handed operation, a 2-stage trigger design with a feather touch for improved control, and a handle exhaust with built-in silencer to help reduce noise levels and to reduce the circulation of brake dust on wheel applications. The Sealey SA6006 half-inch drive composite air impact wrench, designed for heavy-duty use in the professional garage.